Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 9 King Edward Avenue. Now, this property is a 4-bedroom detached chalet bungalow style property, and it offers a wonderful layout, a very easy layout to work with, and I think it'll suit a lot of people for a lot of different reasons. And as soon as you come into the property, you'll see that there's no work to do here whatsoever. It's presented immaculately and is ready for you to move straight into. So we've come straight in off of the hallway and taken a look at the first of the 2 reception rooms there. And that's the nice thing about this property. As we come now through into the downstairs bathroom, you can easily have ground floor living with this property. You've got the 2 bedrooms upstairs with the ensuite bathroom there, but you can easily have the ground floor living with this property if you wanted to. And again, as you can see, it's just presented absolutely immaculately, the bathroom there in particular. So let's go through to the lounge now, where you'll see just a wonderful sized room. You've got the 2 windows there at the side, either side of the fireplace, and you've got those lovely doors leading out onto your immaculate rear garden here, which is just absolutely wonderful. The garden itself is a fantastic size, and it feels really nice and private, and is very much a low maintenance garden. You've got plenty of storage space here. Of course, you've got the side access there through onto the front driveway as well. So with no further ado, we'll crack on with the rest of the viewing. So here we are in the kitchen, and like I said before, it's immaculately kept. It's a wonderful space, nice size here. You've got plenty of worktop space, and there are a range of fitted appliances here as well. Now you can see you've got the side access there through onto the side driveway. So again, nice and practical space. You can see all lovely appliances, all fitted and kept nicely away. So before we take a look at the ground floor bedroom, we're going to go upstairs now so that we can show you the 2 bedrooms and the ensuite that come with this property. And one thing that you'll notice, as soon as you get to the top of the staircase, there is a Velux window above you, which just lets in all of that natural light into the hallway space, and then that floods down into the entrance hall as well. So coming here into the first of the 2 bedrooms upstairs, a really good size. You've got some eave storage up here as well, but coming through to this Jack and Jill ensuite bathroom, you can see here again the taste and style has followed through. So it's a really nice, clean and easy space to look after, and it's just again finished absolutely immaculately. And the next room that we'll go into now is the second of the 2 upstairs bedrooms, and again you can see these lovely big windows overlooking the rear garden. You've got plenty of light coming through there, and it's a good double-sized room just like the last one. And again, you've got more fitted storage there as well. So what we're going to do now is we'll go downstairs and we'll take a look at the ground floor bedroom. So of course, coming downstairs, we will go and take a look in the ground floor bedroom. Of course, we've got the 2 bedrooms upstairs and the dining room, the second reception room, which could easily be used as a second downstairs bedroom, and this downstairs bedroom as well. It's a fantastic property. I'd really ask that you take a good look at the details, keep replaying the tour, and of course, if you've got any more questions, give us a call.